Right now, I am at home. I got everything packed, and I'm so excited to go somewhere. Finally, I get to go somewhere. My best friend, she was like, come go on this trip with me. I got you. I'm covering most of the trip. All you got to do is pay your plane ticket. And I was like, of course I want to go. Yes, we're going.
Vegas bound, baby.
Vegas. It's been ages, y'all. I haven't been anywhere in a long time. Stone ages time.
This guy
I'm tired, y'all.
I was 50.
We are about to enter our room, y'all, and we are shocked.
Regina.
I can't believe this.
What the? Is this outside too? Regina.
Oh my goodness. This is amazing. This big. Oh my goodness.
I got to tell you, she
Uh-oh, I'm
don't
sorry.
sit down. We don't even have to stay on.
We got our own separate. Girl, it's 2 beds in here. And another bathroom like that. I don't know how it happened, y'all, but they upgraded our room to the penthouse. This is the Aria Sky Suites, baby, and it is beautiful. Look at this tub. It was just totally unexpected, and I just thank God for the upgrade. We had the bidet toilet, y'all, which I've never experienced, and I didn't even try it, y'all. I'm such a punk. But check it out. Look at it. And the seats heat up. Has a walk-in closet. Wow, this is amazing. Oh my God. Girl, that view outside. Our rooms are identical, but except my room has 2 beds in it. Just was not expecting all of this room. We have to holler down the hall just to call each other. And all the plants in here are real, y'all. Even throughout the hotel, the plants are real, and they have florists that take care of their plants.
Other side of the suite. Like
This is amazing.
this is amazing. That's Regina. Yeah.
This is
This is
like a big studio
it's a
apartment.
big stu- I guess it's what it's like to be downtown. This is the other. This is the kitchen.
Look at these showers. Why is this shower so big? And I did want to tell you all that the shower has a sauna as well. It will push out steam as you take a shower, or just push out steam without the shower, whatever you choose. This operates the TV, the curtains, it plays music. You can order from the menu. It does so many things.
Isn't that pretty?
Wow.
So gorgeous. Okay, we here. We gotta go find us something to eat because we so hungry.
Wow. This is the next day, but I just wanted you all to see the view in the morning time and see the mountains in the back. This is called the mountain view of the penthouse, baby. TV. So if you had like a big family or something, this is very nice. Little kitchen area, dining room. You have the bar stools. You have coffee. They give you complimentary coffee. And you have a refrigerator in here. You want to store some of your leftovers. Nothing's in there. Also, you have to pay for this too, you guys. They got Coca-Cola, Sprite. They got the Patron. They got all kind of things but it's weighted. So if you get anything out of here, you definitely have to pay for it. So we're not gonna mess with that. But they have also snacks and stuff that you have to, of course, pay for. This is supposed to control the shears and open, but for some reason they're not opening right now, so I'm gonna have to call. I wanted to show you all how the curtains and the shears opens up. We were still trying to work on it and just try to figure out how everything goes, but before we left, we figured it out. I thought the view was just so amazing. I just want you all to see it again. Check out the pools downstairs. It's about 4 of them. The penthouse has its own pool, and you had to show your room key to let them know that you were in the penthouse. They just didn't let anyone in the penthouse, babe.
Ooh, Regina.
Oh my God. Wish I would have got more views of the hotel, but I was just so busy having so much fun. But there were so many restaurants and so many things to do inside of the hotel that you really didn't have to leave it. I really need to put on some makeup. I'm in Vegas. I'm supposed to be looking alive, but I'll put some on in a minute. Connie is in a meeting right now. That's my best friend, y'all. She treated me to this trip, and she stated, just pay for your airfare. And I said, okay, I'm coming. So while Connie is gone to this meeting, I'm fixing to go and explore and see what's around here at the Aria. We are in the Aria Sky Suites, y'all. This is a penthouse. They did upgrade us, so I'm so glad about that. So I'm gonna see y'all in a few. We're gonna check these views out. Let's go. I'm going to the pool, but check this man out. He wants to see your ID before you go to the penthouse pool. Want you all to see the view surrounding the Aria. There are about 4 hotels that's attached to the Aria, and they have a shopping center that you can walk across the street or take the train to ride. And the train ride is absolutely free. Look at all the stores, Prada, expensive stores, you all. St. Laurent, just so many nice shops. And I like that everything is in walking distance. There's just so much to do in Las Vegas and so many attractions. I really enjoyed it. But I just want you all to see the view. It's amazing, isn't it? Look how big the Aria is. That's the train tracks right there. The train goes across and takes you to all of the shops, but it is huge. Time to go back to the pool, y'all. And I went to the pool every day. It was just so relaxing. We had a great time. Don't Connie look good, y'all? She's so cute. This is the look, y'all. Going to get into something. My bestie is at a meeting, and I am probably gonna go get something to eat, but just want to tell y'all about this outfit. This came from Target. This top came from Target. These Levi's, they came from Target. This purse, it came from Jen Multiverse. On Whatnot. Shoes came from Target. But I thought this was a cute little outfit to wear out. Y'all know the hat came from the thrift store. This hat goes with everything. And I'm not feeling my hair. I'm not feeling my hair for real. So, and I didn't have time to get my hair done. So this hat is giving me a little style. So this is the outfit, you guys. I like it. While Connie was at her conference, I decided to take the train to the Bellagio. Next stop is Bellagio. Now I'm headed to the pool. Take these mom glasses off, but that's what I'm doing, and this is what I'm wearing to the pool. So this is what it looks like
but I can't show y'all everything. But
After the pool, we went to the Bellagio and watched the water show. It was so nice, y'all. Check it out. It felt really good outside, and the water show was amazing. Check it out. Y'all, I had to look at the curtains. I love to see them open and close. I just had to look at them one more time and just look at the view outside. The view is amazing. But this is my last day in Vegas, and I had a great time. And it just reminded me that I needed a break, and I needed to be somewhere where I can have peace. When you're on vacation, your mind is clear. You can see different perspectives. You see how other people live, and it's just really a whole vibe. The energy is different, and I just really needed that. I thank you all so much for watching, and I'm going to see you all next time. You all be blessed and shine bright.
Did y'all have a nice stay?
We did.
It's a nice place.
it is nice.
We are at the airport, and we are being processed. It's always a long process, but we're going home, y'all. Yay!